So I honestly could not believe my eyes. I am in Dania Beach and I'm walking on this street, and the readings in this area are constantly like this. I mean, the peaks are, wow. At the peak here on top, which should not be higher than 1,000, is constantly at 8,000, and right here below, which should be no more than 200, is at 5,300. Unbelievable. I imagine this is what it must be to live in a city, and that's just how it is, folks. Microwaving us. Unbelievable. And this is an empty building.